Alrighty ho, Stampers, Deb Valder here, your Fun Stampers Journey Coach, and today I have some sad news. Today is May 1st, 2018, and today is the day that the retirement list comes out. So why do I say that's sad? Because sometimes some of my favorite stamp sets get retired, but they always do add some new. So I like to see the new, but I hate to see the old go. Anyway, I wanted to show you some of the best deals, okay? So let me just show you the Banners and Bows bundle. What you're going to do is you're going to get this maze machine absolutely free. And when I say free, I mean free. The machine is $139, and when you get it, you also get all the bells and whistles with it. You not only get the machine, the pads, the plates, you also get the embossing mat, you get the impressor, and you also get some of the some dies that go along with it. So that is just the Amaze machine itself. In order to get this machine for free, which is the $139 machine, okay, all you have to do is purchase this Banners and Bows bundle. And let me just show you the flyer for the bundle. Right here, it shows you exactly what you're going to get it. If you look down in the description right underneath my video, you'll see the link to my blog and or to my online store, and you can purchase it right from there. So there's a link directly to there. If not, if you go to my website and click on BD0391, the total is $89.70. Okay, so in the bundle that you're purchasing, you're going to get the Banner Parade at a discount. You're going to get Create a Bow at a discount. You're going to get the gift card sleeve holder at a discount, and my favorite, the cupcake liner and the bread tag. Now these are not retiring, but you're going to get these, you're going to purchase these in a bundle, and you're going to get that Amaze machine for free. All right. Oh, and you also get my favorite, the Journey Craft glue. So that is everything that's included in this little bundle right here. Okay, if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me, you let me know. And like I said, I'm just very sad about the retired list, because I do have some on here that are just my absolute all-time go-to favorites. And but like I said, they do bring in new. So right here is the list. You can go over to my blog and you can print this off and just go through your catalog and make sure that you have everything you want before it's done. It's good from May 1st to June 30th, or while supplies last, and that's the same for the Amaze machine. Now this one is one of the sets that's retiring, and it's breaking my heart. I'll never get rid of it. It's this adorable little tea set. I just absolutely love it. Love the cards. Look at these. They're just so pretty. This was some of the cards we made at our event last year. This stamp set right here is called the Tea Time Bundle, and it is just the prettiest little set you've ever seen. It's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be missed by me, but I will never ever get rid of this stamp set because it's just one of the prettiest sets in the catalog. So if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Remember, this is the retirement party. It is only good from May to June or while supplies last. So make sure you look over that list. They do sell out fast, and actually some of the things on here are already sold out. So hop on over, and if you have any questions, let me know. You take care, have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.